CRPC, Rationale, Fair Trial, and Functionaries in Criminal Justice. The Code of Criminal Procedure, CRPC, ensures due process, balancing state and individual interests while preventing arbitrary punishment. It upholds fundamental rights, particularly Article 21, right to life and liberty, and Article 22, protection against arbitrary detention. A fair trial is central to criminal justice, ensuring the presumption of innocence, an impartial judiciary, the right to legal representation, a speedy trial, and protection from coerced confessions. The criminal justice system operates through various functionaries. Courts, classified into Supreme Court, High Courts, Sessions Courts, and Magistrate Courts, ensure justice through fair trials and judgments. Police are responsible for investigation, FIR registration, arrests, and filing charge sheets. Public prosecutors, PPs, and assistant public prosecutors, APPs, represent the state, ensuring fair prosecution. Defense lawyers protect the accused's rights, challenge unlawful evidence, and file appeals. Corrective service personnel manage prisons and rehabilitation programs. Public prosecutors are appointed under Section 24 CRPC by the central or state government, requiring a minimum of 7 years of advocacy experience. Assistant public prosecutors, APPs, appointed under Section 25 CRPC, must have at least 3 years of practice and cannot engage in private practice. The Directorate of Prosecution, Section 25 CRPC, supervises prosecution, ensuring its independence from police influence. The CRPC defines key legal terms, distinguishing between cognizable and non-cognizable offences, summons and warrant cases, bailable and non-bailable warrants, and inquiry versus investigation. It further classifies compoundable and non-compoundable offences, differentiates acquittal, discharge, and dismissal, and outlines concepts like concurrent versus consecutive punishments and judicial versus police remand. Trials, whether summary, summons, or warrant trials, follow specific legal procedures. The hierarchy of criminal courts is structured as per Section 6 CRPC, comprising the Supreme Court, High Courts, Sessions Courts, and Magistrates Courts. Sessions courts handle serious offences like murder and rape, while magistrate courts deal with minor offences and preliminary hearings. Executive magistrates ensure law and order, issuing preventive actions under Sections 107 to 151 CRPC. The entire system ensures procedural fairness, reinforcing justice and accountability. Magistrates in criminal justice, judicial and executive powers, Sections 11, 16, 20, CRPC. Under the Criminal Procedure Code, CRPC, magistrates play a crucial role in the administration of justice, ensuring fair trials and maintaining law and order. They are classified into judicial magistrates and executive magistrates, each with distinct responsibilities and powers. Judicial magistrates, for non-metropolitan areas, Section 11, CRPC. Judicial magistrates handle criminal cases at the district level, with varying levels of authority based on rank. The Chief Judicial Magistrate, CJM, presides over major criminal cases, except those triable by sessions courts, and can impose sentences of up to 7 years of imprisonment. The Judicial Magistrate First Class, JMFC, can sentence offenders to up to 3 years in prison or impose fines of up to 10,000 rupees, whereas the Judicial Magistrate Second Class, JMSC, has the authority to impose a maximum sentence of 1 year or a fine of 5,000 rupees. Additionally, special magistrates are appointed for specific cases as designated by the government. Metropolitan magistrates, for metro cities, Section 16, CRPC. In metropolitan areas, Chief Metropolitan Magistrates, CMM, exercise similar powers as the CJM and supervise all metropolitan magistrates under their jurisdiction. The Metropolitan Magistrate, equivalent to JMFC, handles cases within city limits. These magistrates play a key role in overseeing criminal trials at the district and city levels, ensuring speedy and efficient justice delivery. Executive Magistrates, Law and Order Maintenance, Section 20, CRPC. Executive magistrates focus on maintaining public order and taking preventive measures under the law. The district magistrate, DM, or collector serves as the head of district administration and is responsible for law and order. The subdivisional magistrate, SDM, supervises law enforcement at the subdivision level. Other executive magistrates are appointed for specific duties, such as handling public nuisance cases, unlawful assemblies, and enforcing preventive measures under Sections 107 to 151 of the CRPC. These magistrates collectively ensure the smooth functioning of the criminal justice system, balancing judicial fairness with law enforcement responsibilities.